Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Airan, and I'm here today to answer your frequently asked questions. The first question that we're answering today is what kind of sunscreen should I be using and how often? And I always say that you should use the highest number sunblock that's available. So if there's an SPF 100 available, you should use that. Because while it's true that a sun protection factor of 100 is not twice the sun protection of a 50, it still provides more protection than sun protection factor 50. So the higher the number, the more sun protection you're getting, even if it's not exactly double of the lower number. And so it's important to look for high number sunblocks. It's important to look for broad spectrum sunblocks, so sunblocks that cover UVA, UVB. It'll say right on the bottle. Nowadays, most sunblocks are broad spectrum because everyone's aware that you need to protect from all the different types of UV radiation of the sun. But it's still worthwhile double checking that the one that you're using is providing you with that coverage. When you're applying sunblock, it's really important that you use the right amount. So this is a 3 fluid ounce bottle. Really, that's only enough for 3 applications of the face and body. The amount of sunblock that you use is really important. So this is a medicine cup which contains 1 fluid ounce. When you're applying the sunblock to your face and body, it's really important that you use the right amount. So really, you would be using like this amount of sunblock for your face and body in order to have adequate coverage. The reason for that is because when we measure sunblock, we measure it based on the concentration on the skin. And believe me, they have a thick layer of sunblock when they're testing whether it's effective or not. So if your sunblock is rated 50, but you don't apply enough sunblock, then that's not going to help you. And it's not going to be at the same level of protection from the sun. So using the right amount of sunblock is actually a really important thing to do. I tell all my patients to apply sunblock at least 15 minutes before they go into the sun because it needs some time to activate on the skin. And then if you're out there and you're really active, you should actually be reapplying it. For example, if you go in the ocean and come out, you should reapply the sunblock as soon as you come out. If you're playing golf and it's reaching between 3 and 4 hours, you should reapply the sunblock. So there's a lot of little things you need to think about. The amount you use, how often you're applying it, when to reapply it, whether it needs to be waterproof or not. Make sure it's a high number and broad spectrum.